Welcome to Windows 10 training and features. What I'm going to show you today is virtual desktops, something that's been around but it's really hasn't been talked about, but in Windows 10 it looks like they're really starting to perfect it. You can have multiple virtual desktops in Windows 10. So here is my desktop, and I'm going to start Word. I'm going to run Word inside this desktop. Now, to create a new virtual desktop, I'm going to click the Task View button, which is right here. That will allow me to come over here and click New Desktop. And as you can see, now I have two desktops. And I can create as many desktops as I want, unlimited. But I think once you get past 8, then they scroll off the screen so you can't see them all. But let's go ahead to desktop number 2, and notice the Word is in here. And let's jump over to desktop 1. There's my Word. So if I go to desktop 2 and I start Excel, now I have Excel running on my virtual desktop 2. And if I click this and move over to desktop 1, there's Word. And now let's go to virtual desktop 3, and let's start, let's say, Easy Sketch. And now we'll just leave it like that for now, and then we'll jump over to number 4 and we'll start a browser menu. Alright, now I can simply change between desktops by clicking the task view and selecting which desktop I want to jump to. I can also hold down my Control Windows key and use the left button, the left arrow button and the right arrow button to move between the different desktops. So I have something running in every desktop. So in order to close a desktop, you click the task view, and as you hover over each desktop, there's an X that you can close the desktop. Now, when I close that desktop, the program that was running in it is still running, it's just not on that desktop anymore. So it will go to, let's see where it went to. It went to the desktop to the left of it. So this was running in desktop 3. When I closed the virtual desktop, it moved into desktop number 2. Now if I close desktop number 2, these applications will move into desktop number 1. And then if we click this, you'll notice my Word, Easy Sketch Pro, Excel are all running on that desktop. If I want to create a new desktop and then move something into that desktop, I select desktop 1 where my apps are. I hit the task view, and now I can drag this program into any desktop that I want it to run in. I can drag this into any desktop. So programs running is separate from desktops running, and you can have any program running on any desktop at any time. And that concludes this short training session on Windows 10.